Hello everyone. In today's video I want to show you how you can create machine catalogs directly from your PVS server. So the only important thing is that the user that you are using here in PVS should be so in your PVS environment you need to be an administrator, and also the same user needs to be an administrator in the Citrix site. So as you know, they both are separate SQL databases, and yeah, this is why you have to use the same user. So I have here a few device collections. I have my blank Citrix site, so nothing here. So as you can see, I don't have any machine catalogs, anything. And one way to do it, so you can of course create here a machine catalog and then add the machines, but you can also do it from the PVS server, and this is what I want to show you. Let me also start the VMs. Start until they boot. It will take a little bit of time. It doesn't matter, because we can create the catalogs from the PVS server, and we just have to use the export device wizard. Yeah, it sounds strange because it says it's an export devices wizard. It doesn't really give you a hint that what you can do with it. Nevertheless, yeah, we are on-prem. We just have to write here our FQDN of our DDC. So that's my DDC01. We just go next. I did see that it does not work if you select virtual machines. So if you select virtual machines, you don't see anything. So it only works with physical devices. I'm using in both cases also PVS and CVAD. I'm using 2402 CU2 LTSR, and here if I go, as you see, I selected physical devices, and here I can select which collections I want to use. I will first use this one, PVS collection, PVS01 collection, and I will just go next. It shows me the VMs that are in that collections, and I have to select a functional level for the catalog, and I will go with the highest one because I do have this version available. And I just go next, and here it is asking me if I want to create a new catalog, or if I already have a catalog, I can add the machines inside of it. Nevertheless, you need to know that yeah, I will show you. So let's create a new catalog. I will say PVS01, exactly like or no, PVS machines, PVS. Let me type the version of the OS 2022. Okay, let's go next. They are all multi-session. Let's go next, all, and next. And in a couple of seconds, it will create the catalog. If I go back here in my CVAD, I just refresh, and I should have a new catalog that contains my two machines. And now, because I have the catalog, I can also show you one more time the export device wizard. Next, same steps, and now we will select the second collection, same version. Now let's leave it like this. Let's leave it like this, 7.9. I want to show you a difference. Use existing catalog. If you do not select in the previous step the correct catalog version, then it will not you will not see the already created. As you can see now, it sees because I selected the correct version. And now we'll just go and next, finish, and add an additional machine. Now if we go back to our Citrix site, then we can see that the third VM has been added. One important thing here is that if you go to Machine Catalogs from here, so from the Citrix site, you cannot add additional machines. So that is a difference. For example, if you create a catalog and then add the machines via Active Directory account names, then you can of course add multiple machines directly from Citrix. But in this case, if you create the machine catalog from the PVS server, then you do not have this option. Of course, you can delete the catalog that is allowed. You can also delete one machine if you want, and this will not delete anything in the PVS server, just here in the catalog. So it will just remove it from the catalog. And if you go back to the PVS server, so nothing happened to the machine. Let's do a refresh because they are already up. Okay. Yeah, let's do the whole thing. Let's also create a delivery group so that we can see if it actually works all the way. So 2 machines. Yeah, next, restrict. Let's add PVS users. I don't remember. Let's see. Check names. PVS users. Okay. Done. Next. No application. Let's just give it a desktop. Okay. Allow next. PVS. Then delivery group. Finish. Okay. Okay, the machines are registered. Let me see. I don't remember if I prepared my storefront. I don't really know if I made a... Let me see 1 second. Storefront, because I just reinstalled everything and I don't remember if I created a store or not. Oh, yeah, okay, I have a store. It's just test lab. Okay, let's see. Okay, and one user from that group is user 01. This one. Gone, and this one should have a desktop. Okay, let's try to start it. I just want to make sure that the previous part also works as it should be. It is a little bit slower, but yeah, it's working. Okay, I'm waiting for this one. Okay, and let's also check it visually. No access. Okay, I have the disk and everything looks okay. Yeah, so this was it. Additionally, if you want to move the VMs between the collections, and if, for example, you have a catalog that contains those machines and a different catalog that contains different machines, if you want to move one machine to another, you can just go here and drag and drop. Nevertheless, on the Citrix site, it will not update anything. You will have to manually remove it. So remove from the delivery group, remove from the catalog, and then add it to a different catalog. Okay, thank you for watching. If you liked this type of video, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.